Hi, this is Ben from TradingStrategyGuys.com. Today I'm going to show you how our Big 3 indicator works and how it's going to be working for the scalpers, day traders, and swing traders, as I will be showing you on a 1 minute, 30 minute, hour, 4 hour, and then I'm going to show you an actual example of this thing working on a 1 hour chart. There's also alerts for this indicator, which can make a very nice feature if you're away from your charts. Okay, with that being said, let's get started. So what happens with the indicator is when a line turns red, the price action will be going down. When it goes yellow, the price action will be flat. It won't be going anywhere. As you can see here, it's not really moving much. But when it went red here, it moved a little bit. Another one here. This actually, if you would have exited the trade here, that would have been nice. As you can see, then it goes yellow, and then it went green here, and green means to buy. Went back to yellow, which is another flat market, and then look at this big move. This is actually a 1 minute chart, but that's actually a very nice move. That's about, I think it was about 50 pip move. Okay, so that's the basics of the Big 3 indicator. There's two options. There's the indicator that'll be on the candles, and there's this indicator down here. You don't have to have them both. If you want them both, you can, but as you can see, they both will show you the same signal. But that's just, we just did that. That way, if you like to see clean charts, if you don't like seeing the indicator up here, then by all means, you don't have to have it on them up here. So you can just see it down here. Either way. Okay, so that's the minute chart. Here's a 30-minute chart. Here's a nice movement up here. It's about, it's not bad. It's not a bad movement. It's about 20 pips. Again, it's a little bit of movement. This one wouldn't have been that great of a trade there, but hey, it's not going to be 100%, and we're not going to promise to be 100%. What we're going to promise is that's going to be, these trades are going to be big movers. Look at this move. That's a big move. Huge, very big. And then it goes, yellow line goes back down. There's not much movement there, and then it goes now 10 back to the upside. That's the 30-minute chart. Let's take a look at a 1 hour chart. Here's a nice move. It's a very nice movement, about 71 pips. Here's another one, another 70 something. And then here we go again. It goes from green to yellow to red. And look at this movement. That would have been a great trade. 173 pips down. Okay, that's a 1 hour chart. Let's look at a 4 hour chart. These movements are enormous up here. That's about 331 pips. 330 pips. If you would have traded this right here on April 11th, and you would stayed with it until it went yellow here, that's a 300 pip move with this indicator, which is just amazing to us. And it ended up kept going right here for another about 120 pips. So it's exciting. It's exciting new indicator that we have developed. We can't wait to launch it out and see what everybody thinks. And with that being said, let's actually take a look at a real let's take a look at a real live example. Okay, so as we can see here, nothing's really going on. It's yellow, but then it's wanting to go red there. So, and boom, take a look at this. Once it goes red, you would have gotten that trade somewhere around here. Would have alerted you, and I mean, look at that move. It just keeps going. That's 63 pips. Takes a little bit of a break, as price action does. Stuck with it. That's 89 pips right here. It's continuing to keep going. And the way you get out is when you see yellow. So we haven't seen yellow yet. So we're still on 180 pips down. This is a 1 hour chart again. Okay, so right there. So that's where it would have stopped. So the final, if you would have got in somewhere around here, say you would have liked to see this break. You saw it red, but you would have wanted to see this break this level here. That still would have been a very nice 117 pip trade. If you would actually, went in when it actually went red, we'll say it will go about here. That would have been 158 pips. And that's huge. And what we're finding out with this indicator is that whenever it goes, they go, and they go for a long time. So it's great. It's an exciting new indicator. We can't wait to see what you think of this. If you have any questions, you can always email us at info@tradingstrategyguides.com. We will answer your questions before you purchase it. If you have any questions at all, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. It goes green. It's a buy. It's going up, so you take a buy trade. You take a buy trade right at the beginning. It goes up. You see yellow, you don't trade it. It goes flat. You see green again. It's going up. You take the trade, and that's the basics of this indicator. So again, like I said, if you have any questions at all, please email us. We'll answer them. And if you think, well, this doesn't really look right for me, that's totally fine. Actually, like we said though, I do want to make sure because alerts, it seems like people are loving alerts. So we implemented alerts, so whenever the yellow goes to green or yellow goes to red, it's going to alert you, and you're going to get a ding. You're going to ding on your phone. You're going to whatever you have it, however you have it set up for yourself, it will let you know. So we hope you guys are going to like this. We love it. We're really pumped about this indicator, and we know you will be also.